Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today's topic is at the coffee shop. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Let's start the conversation.
Hi,
Hello, welcome.
thank you.
How can I help you?
Can I see the menu, please?
Sure, here you go.
Thanks.
Take your time.
What do you recommend?
Our cappuccino is popular.
Sounds good.
It tastes great.
What sizes do you have?
Small, medium, and large.
I'll take medium.
Okay.
I'd like a cappuccino.
Medium or large?
Medium, please.
Got it? How much sugar?
1 spoon, please.
Sure.
Thanks.
Regular milk or soy milk?
Regular milk.
Okay.
Thank you.
Hot or iced?
Hot, please.
All right.
Thanks. How much is it?
$5.
Okay.
Anything else?
Can I pay by card?
Yes, you can.
Here you go.
Thank you.
How long will it take?
About 5 minutes.
That's fine.
Please wait.
Is this seat free?
Yes.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Do you have free Wi-Fi?
Yes.
What's the password?
On the wall. Alexa,
Yes?
your order is ready.
Thanks.
Here's your coffee.
It smells nice.
Enjoy it.
Thank you. Wow, delicious.
Glad you like it.
Perfect taste.
Thanks.
Can I get a napkin?
Sure.
Thanks.
No problem.
May I add sugar?
Of course.
Where is it?
Over there.
Do you have snacks?
Yes.
What kind?
Muffins and cookies.
I'll take a muffin.
Which one?
Chocolate.
Okay.
Can you warm it up?
Sure.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Can I order another drink?
Yes.
A latte, please.
All right. Hi. Sorry I'm late.
No problem.
Did you order?
Yes. This cafe is nice.
Very cozy.
I like it.
Me too. Do you come here often?
Sometimes. Nice. I like working here.
It's peaceful.
Yes.
Very calm.
I love the music.
It's relaxing.
Very soft.
Yes.
It's too hot.
Please wait a bit.
Okay.
It'll cool down.
Can I get a lid?
Sure.
Thanks. Here you go. Do you offer refills?
Only black coffee.
Oh, okay.
Sorry.
What time do you close?
At 10 p.m.
Good to know.
Yes.
Great service.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
We appreciate it.
Can I take photos?
Yes.
Thanks.
No problem.
What should I try next?
Caramel macchiato.
Sounds good.
It is.
Can I get this to go?
Sure.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Here's the money.
Thank you.
Keep the change.
Thanks.
Thanks for everything.
My pleasure.
Have a nice day.
You too.
Bye.
Goodbye.
See you soon.
Take care.
That was great.
Yes, amazing.
Let's come again.
Sure.
What's your favorite?
Latte.
Mine too.
Nice.
The price is fair.
I agree.
Affordable.
Yes.
Let's post a photo.
Okay.
On Instagram.
Great.
5 stars.
Same here.
Great cafe.
Yes.
I'll leave a review.
Good idea.
They deserve it.
Definitely.
I love coffee.
Me too.
It helps me relax.
Same.
Let's come this weekend.
Sure.
With friends.
Fun?
Coffee makes my day.
Absolutely.
I feel fresh.
Me too.
What's your favorite?
Latte.
Nice choice.
Thanks.
Sweet or strong?
Medium.
Perfect.
Yes.
Coffee in the morning?
Always.
Same here.
Can't skip it.
I like the music.
Me too.
Very relaxing.
Yes.
Window seat?
Sure.
Nice view.
I agree.
To go or stay?
Stay.
Good idea.
Let's relax.
Is there Wi-Fi?
Yes.
That's great.
Very useful.
Let's study here.
Okay.
Quiet place.
Perfect.
One more photo?
Sure.
Smile.
Yes.
We'll come again.
Definitely.
Soon.
Yes.
Let's pay the bill.
Okay.
Worth it.
Totally.
See you next time.
Bye.
Great coffee.
Loved it.
That's today's conversation. Hope you learned something new. Practice these dialogues daily. Keep improving your English. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.